Hey guys, today I'm out in the yard and I got some irrigation tubing a couple of months ago, and now that it's not so hot and the temperature is really good today, it's going to be in the low 70s. I believe our high today is 72, and I already got ahead of myself because I was kind of, excited and just trying to figure it out. Well, I've laid it out and put one of the emitters in, and it's working pretty good so far. Now I have to just put the rest of the emitters, the little sprinkler heads in, and I will kind of give you guys a walk around to show you what it looks like so far. All right, hold on. Okay, this is what I have so far. I have connected it here to my water hose. You see I have that Y connector thing on. This is to my regular water hose, and this is the black tubing is for the sprinkler. I have a friend helping me out in the yard today, but they don't want to be on camera. So that's the chopping you probably hear in the back. So here, and I did my little, I made a T to connect it, and I have it going along my bed here. And here's where I've put one of the emitters on. So I'm gonna turn it on, and so you can get a look at how it works so far. All right, there it is. I have water. So I think that's pretty cool. So that's what I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon doing, is putting these heads in. I have one here too that I put in. You can't see it. Oh. There it is. All right, so wish me luck. And I'm also going to, my friend is helping me get rid of my stump, chopping out the stump. So I'm going to be doing that today also. All right, I showed you earlier where I had put in a couple of the emitters. Now I have somebody to hold the camera for me so that you can actually see me putting one in. Here's the one that I just put in right here, okay? I kind of count off 3 feet. But this comes up as 3, but I'm not gonna put anything here because I don't have anything planted, and I don't plan on planting anything there. I placed them right here by my pomegranate. I put one in the front and one in the back. Now I'm gonna come here to the front of this bed. I have it looped twice. So now I'm gonna, I have this one here, I think I wanna have them staggered for the watering. So I'll have one here, and then I'll have one here. So this is my little tool that I've used to make the hole. I don't know if you can see this, but I just make a small puncture, and then I put there, it's in there, okay? And now I'm just gonna come down. And again, I'm gonna go in between the 3 feet of my front side. There, and it's in. Okay, that's it. And I also wanted to show you that I got my stump. I did the stump removal video, but I had some help today, and we were able to hack up, use the hand shovel, the shovel, and I had my little hatchet out here, but I don't know where the hatchet is. And this is her. So mind you, there's some kind of a cable down here that I don't have cable TV. I do have internet, so when I go in the house later to attempt to use the internet, I'll find out if this was a internet cable. All right, guys, that's it. Okay, guys, I'm done for today, but I still have some watering issues. Like, I think because of the area, the distance that the you know, tubing has to go, it's not giving me the pressure all the way around. Like, this is the front, and you see the water pressure is really good. Like here, it's good, but as when I make this turn, at this turn right here, and I come around and I get to this one, it's got just like a trickle, you know, the water is not coming out as much. And as I go down the line further, I got the same issue, whereas there I get good water, but then, you know, like here I got just like a dribble, and it's fully open. I have it turned fully, you know, anymore, and it's going to twist off. So I'm done trying to figure it out for today. Yeah, like this one is and this one's directly in front of it. Do you see that? Got a nice sprinkle all along the front, in the front line. I got good water. But here in the back, not so much. Like I said, even it's open, and I'm not getting the water that I want. It's not coming out of the holes here on the top. So yeah, I'm at least happy that I got it installed. Now I just have to do some troubleshooting to figure out what's going on. You know, if it's my water pressure. That's my neighbor and their stupid dogs. All right, guys, that's it for today. I want to thank you for spending a couple of moments with me. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, yeah, let me know what you think I need to do. All right, bye.